So I've been somewhat procrastinating on this build. I've been accumulating some parts lately, upgraded tires from 25 to 27s. Just got some old ones to see how they test fit. Also got a street legal kit, some wheel spacers, and then a light bar. So goal is to make the Ranger here look less like a golf cart, more like a off-road vehicle of some sort. Family, we're going to plan to get some four-wheelers here pretty soon, and we'll probably take this out with us as well, kind of add it to the fleet. So probably won't get too far today. I don't plan to do the whole street legal kit or anything like that, but I'm going to see how far I can get. I think this is going to look pretty cool with the bigger tires and wheel spacers on there, so let's get started. Got the fronts on already, pretty big difference. I mean, what do I expect? I guess 2-inch spacers on the wheel hubs, and then 2 inches of 2-inch taller wheels on. Looks pretty good. Hopefully it'll ride a little better too. I got these Kenda Executioners, which are pretty good tires. I mean, actually pretty awesome tires for mud and dirt, but they don't feel very good on the concrete. So I'm gonna street legal this thing, and so I want to make sure that you can actually ride it on the road. The Executioners just weren't going to do it, so. So it looks pretty good. I'm not too happy with the old rubber I have on there. I got these as somebody's throwaways. I think I paid like 160 bucks or something like that. Probably paid a little too much. So I need to replace the tires on them, but I think they fit pretty good, especially with the wheel spacers. You need the wheel spacers. It didn't look like these are RZR rims, so it didn't look like the RZR rims actually fit on the Ranger hubs. So with the wheel spacers, it looks like everything kind of lined up right. But with that said, I need to replace the wheel studs and then the lug nuts that are inside the wheel spacer. They have kind of that rounded end, whereas the ones that were on the tires before were kind of the flat end. So I need to go to the store and get those. So it's not exactly drivable yet, but I got everything put together, at least from the replacing the tires perspective. So I'll have to come back and redo the studs and stuff at a later date. So I think now let's put on the light bar. I don't know, put it lower, put it higher on the cage or not. So let's see what looks good. Well, this is pretty much it for now. I didn't make as much progress as I wanted. Stuff took a little while. I'm gonna have to redo some of this stuff. Like I said, it needs new wheel studs, lug nuts, and then the wiring that I had just laying around probably isn't big enough for the light bar, but I'm kind of digging where it's sitting, so I might need to adjust that a little bit. I just have it zip tied in there for now. But for the most part, everything's looking pretty good. I love how it sits now with the bigger wheels and tires. I definitely need new tires, but it's looking pretty good. So that's it for now. More to come. I'm gonna hopefully get working on the street legal kit this week, so I can get that done. I don't think it's gonna be all that difficult. You just have to install side mirrors, horn, blinkers, all that stuff should be pretty easy. Once the dealership gives you the paperwork and everything, then you take it to the Department of Licensing, and then they'll give you the everything you need to be street legal. But it's looking pretty cool, so we'll see how it looks when I'm done. More to come.